Welcome to Seat 11A. Today, we are pleased to host Andrea Behrend, CFO of ZEAL Network SE, who will present the company's elevator pitch. ZEAL is Germany's leading online lottery platform, merging digital innovation with a strong commitment to sustainable and responsible gaming. In a few minutes, Andrea will walk you through ZEAL's business model and the main factors driving its success. Stay tuned, and if you're interested in more detailed presentations, visit seat11a.com for the full video hub.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the company presentation of ZEAL Network. I'm Andrea Behrend, the CFO of ZEAL Network, and I'm happy to present you today the lottery leader for over 25 years in Germany. So let's start with our ambition. We want to define the future of lottery, and we want to make a world of lotteries that are accessible at any time, from anywhere and from any device. ZEAL is actually a lottery tech company, and we are focusing on e-commerce excellence, on user insights, and data-driven decisions. We combine that with 25 years of experience in the lottery space. First of all, let's give you an idea about the size of ZEAL. We have more than 1.5 million customers active on our platform every month. And these customers spend each around 63 euros a month. That adds up to 750 euros a year, quite a significant number. We have a market cap of over 1 billion. And last year, we contributed 380 million euros for good causes. Last year, we acquired 1.2 million new customers, a record number, and generated an EBITDA of 62 million. Our guidance for this year is in the EBITDA range of 63 to 68 million euros. I always say we are not selling lottery tickets. We are actually selling dreams. We let people dream. So imagine what you would do with a 120 million euro jackpot. Or imagine if you would win our newest product, the Traumhausverlosung, and have an amazing new house in Bavaria. Wouldn't that be great? And even contributing to social causes with it. An amazing proposition for our customers. Let's get a bit into the company structure first. So our core business is the German lottery brokerage business, where we deliver for our customers under the well-known brand Lotto24 and Tip24 lottery offerings. Here we have also the new products, ZEAL Instant Games that I will talk about later, Freiheit Plus and Traumhausverlosung. On the other hand, we have B2B offering also in ZEAL. We are supporting, for example, ONCE, the big Spanish blind lottery operator in Spain, and with ZEAL Ventures in little startups in the lottery space to see strategic benefits from this. But our core is the German lottery business. And let's deep dive a little bit into the competitive landscape here. So on this chart, you see ZEAL and then the overall size of the other providers. So we have the 16 state lotteries. Each of them is in an individual organization. And they are not organized together. So they, in total, have this more or less the same size as ZEAL combined. On the other hand, there are smaller brokers online, and Lottoland is online with a secondary lottery offering. But that's summing up more or less the market in Germany. Like I said, ZEAL owns 44% of the market, so the biggest player in the business, and overall competing mainly with the state lotteries. How is the business model working, the online brokerage business? So we have the 16 state lotteries, like I said, and they are operating the lotteries in Germany. Their biggest products are Lotto 6 out of 49, a very traditional German lottery product, and Eurojackpot, a European offering, and sell them to the residents of each of their states. We broker these tickets and give our opportunity Germany-wide to offer these tickets for our customers. We earn with this brokerage commission from the state lotteries, and additionally, our customers pay us a ticket and service fee for each transaction. We don't have the jackpot risk, so the jackpot gets paid by the state lotteries, and we are transferring this to our customers. It's a quite nice experience to actually do like 120 million winner transfer from our bank accounts. So that's the pleasure of being CFO of ZEAL Network. On the other hand, you see that jackpots are impacting the lottery business relevantly. So in high jackpots, of course, more people want to join the lottery and play. And we have more activity in our active customer base. But also we are acquiring much more customers because there's a huge interest into the market if there's a 120 million euro jackpot. So I often get the question, why should we play with Lotto 24, Tip 24? What is the proposition that we have? It's the advantage of every e-commerce. First of all, like I said, we are available anywhere at any time. So you can play 24/7. You don't have to wait until your kiosk is open. We are secure, so your ticket is online logged with us. You are not able to lose your ticket. Imagine how horrible this experience would be that you have a winning and you don't find your ticket anymore. You get automatic notifications and also the prize gets collected automatically. And you have a really great experience in the web, in the mobile, but also on the apps. We have the opportunity to do individual personalized offering for our customers because we have a lot of data of all of them, and that's really great. And additionally, we have a wide range of products. So we are not only offering the traditional lottery products like Lotto 6 out of 49 and EJ, but also social lotteries, lottery clubs, and games. So that's really important. Why is a customer so valuable for us? This is a very unique business model with high customer retention rates. So the customer comes in and on the slide, you see how his activity in average expects. When he comes in, he plays and over time until 6 months, his activity goes down to 25% on the billings retention side. But then he stays stable and this cohort generates billings and overall customer lifetime value for almost forever. And on this slide, our favorite slide, you see how the cohorts are actually building up over time. Each of the little lines, we call it like a pancake cake. You see how these cohorts add value. And each peak of this little cake is the high jackpot phase where the activity increases significantly and our customers come in. We have a lot of data here on this example you see from 2013, but we are 25 years online. So we have all the data from our customers and are able to predict the customer lifetime value very well. A payback period currently averages between 2 and 3 years and is very profitable. Every additional revenue that we are getting in, 80 to 85% is actually going to the bottom line, to EBITDA. And just calling out something very special, in 2024, we had an exceptional jackpot year with 13 peak jackpots, never happened before. And therefore, you see on the graph the very nice up peak, and we did a significant growth based on that jackpot situation. We, on top of that, try to work on getting independent from jackpots, but also from the state lotteries by widening our offering into social lotteries and into games. This is not only creating independency, but also targeting new customer audiences because maybe they are not interested in playing traditional lotteries, but rather want something entertaining like games or something with purpose like the social lotteries. So with the social lotteries, we have Freiheit Plus that we started 2020. And we have the Traumhausverlosung, the new kid on the block that started in 2024. It's a very successful product, both of them, and 30% of the stakes go to good causes and contribute significantly to the charity partners. For example, our last house that you see here on the picture was on the seaside in Germany, St. Peter-Ording, and the main charity partner received charity contribution of nearly 1.8 million euros, the biggest single charity contribution they ever received. And it's really meaningful for them. And that's the core purpose that we have. And on the other hand, we also want to give our customers the opportunity to be entertained. And here it's about really offering a wide spectrum on virtual games. Currently, we have over 580 games live, and really also like blockbusters like Book of Ra or Book of Dead that are very popular in the community. So that's what we have currently. And now about the potential. The future market potential really gets me excited because the market is around 10 billion euros. And currently the online penetration is just at 29%. But we expect that to grow long term. Ambition level is to grow to 50 to 70%. So the market online should be 5 to 7 billion. And of that market, we aim to own 50% of that market. So that would leave significant growth to 2.5 to 3.5 billion euros in the ambition level for ZEAL Lotteries in Germany. So that's still a significant uphill. And we are already profitable with 1 billion euros in billings. And as I said, based on the economy of scale, nearly 80 to 85% of these overall top line growth should go to the bottom line on the revenue. So that's really a huge upside potential that is still there in the German market. Online penetration, like I said, it's 29%. Why is it still so low? There's still significant potential to pick up. Other countries are between 40 and 60%. Other industries in Germany are even up to 80%. As it is a 100% digital product, we expect the online penetration go up significantly over the next decades. And this growth potential ZEAL is here to grab. And to close the presentation, I want to finalize with some key statements. So first of all, we are the market leader in online lotteries in Germany. And we have a strong cash-generating business model with high customer predictability. And the customer loyalty is really, really high and unique in an e-commerce space. So we really have customers that are loyal with us since 25 years and generating still customer lifetime value for us. And we have huge growth opportunity. Like I explained, the online market is underpenetrated. The market can grow. And on the other hand, we are doing relatively focused extensions of our offering into games and charity lotteries. And for our shareholders, we have attractive dividend policies and are also using share buybacks to give back the value generated to our shareholders. And with that, I want to close. Thank you so much for your interest into ZEAL and hope to speak soon.
Disclaimer. As described in the legal section on our website, c11a.com, this publication is for informational purposes only. This means it is not intended to provide you with any investment advice. Any opinion or recommendation expressed by the companies is neither given nor supported by us and should not be considered investment advice from our side. Also, remember that any opinion or recommendation expressed is subject to change without further notice. The content is obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but we do not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, or timeliness. C11a.com and its employees disclaim all liability for any loss that may arise in any form from any use of the information in the video, audio, and on our website. We neither express any opinion on the future value of any security or other investment vehicle, nor recommend any investment based on the information provided. Please consider the publications and our website as a platform for companies to present themselves. You need to seek financial advice from an expert regarding the accuracy and appropriateness of the material presented or recommended by the companies in the publication. As we are just considered a publisher, we may hold and trade securities in the presenting company, whether it is a listed or private company. By consuming our content, you agree to these terms and the terms in our legal section on our website.